said, I'm leaving, you said, I'm staying. And I said, I hate me, you said, what I created. I said, I'm broken, you said, I'm healing. So step out into the world that I made just for you. And my world is bigger than yours. And people are dying and hiding, and they just wanna know, crying and wondering, what are you waiting for? If my truth is so amazing, then why aren't you crawling to the ends of the earth for love, for love, for love, for love? I said, show yourself, and you said, in time. I said, take me, and you said, I am. I said, I have scars, and you said, never mind that, 'cause I'm about to make you into something beautiful. And my dreams are bigger than yours. And people are dying and hiding, and they just wanna know, crying and wondering, what are you waiting for? If my truth is so amazing, then why aren't you crawling to the ends of the earth? 'Cause they're damaged and done, and they've given up, and we just walk right past. And they've had enough, they're tired of us just talking about what we lack. And they're dying and hiding, and they just wanna know, crying and wondering, what are you waiting for? And if my truth is so amazing, then why aren't you crawling to the ends of